Tofu.
Broccoli.
Garlic.
Chili. It's not a stir fry this time.
What?
It's a broccoli and tofu salad. Was it like any salad you've ever tried before?
No.
What was different about it?
The ingredients were all cooked.
The ingredients. Tofu, garlic, broccoli, dip, 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 dip.
It's dancing.
Chili. Oh, this one is spicy.
All of our food runs away. How are we going to cook anything? Oh, it came back.
2, 1, go.
Okay, so I guess I just sharpen my knife, like usual, to get it nice and sharp.
And it's going to be really useful for chopping the green onion really finely, right?
Mm-hmm.
Any advice on technique?
So just do the normal chopping and then run the knife over a few more times to get extra finely chopped.
Okay, and why do you use a garlic press instead of mincing garlic?
Just get it extra pulverized so it releases more garlic flavor and is more of a consistent texture in the sauce.
Excellent. All right, and now we're going to boil the broccoli, blanching it. So we always start off with hot water boiled in the kettle, right? Isn't it so much faster doing it that way?
Yeah.
And we have our nice copper pan that we got from your Uncle Joe.
Oh, yeah.
Wedding present.
You can also see the reflection of the camera in the bottom of it.
Mm-hmm. So how long are we boiling this broccoli for?
I really pretty much let the water return to a boil after adding the broccoli and then wait 60 seconds.
Okay, so you want it really crispy still. Don't overcook it. Is that right?
It's a salad. It's not like a broccoli goo pile.
Okay. And what's happening now?
Just softening the tofu up and washing it in some water.
Yep, so you removed it as soon as it started boiling, right? Why do you boil this tofu?
Just soften it up.
It also heats it up a little bit, right? So when you eat it, it's not really cold.
In case. Oh, well, yeah. And also cleans it, I guess.
Oh no! Chef on fire!
Chef on fire! Put the fire out!
Cool. All right, what are you doing now?
So I'm adding the oil to the pan to get it hot. So we're going to use hot oil to cook the garlic so you're not eating raw garlic in the dressing.
How can you tell when the oil's ready?
When it burns and it smokes.
No burning.
Okay, it starts
oil
smoking.
Shouldn't be burning. Okay, adding a little bit extra oil for good measure.
Uh-huh.
All right, what you doing now?
So I'm adding the sauce to the salad, and I need to make sure and I mix it up really adequately to... Oh no, we never make it.
Minutes.
Anyways, I wanted to make sure it was mixed adequately to coat everything evenly with the dressing.
Just like you would with a regular lettuce salad, right? Or the spring mix.
Yeah.
All right. We gotta shape up next time. We gotta really make it under 15 minutes. It's hurting our brand at this point.
Yeah, definitely.
So what'd you think? How did it taste?
It was really good.
Is it weird to have a cooked salad, so to speak?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, you must have enjoyed it because you ate it all. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
All right, so tip is make sure your oil is smoking but not burning.
Yeah, don't burn down your house.
If you like this and you want to try it, get the recipe at garlicdelight.com.
See you next time.
Bye.